Yes, page number, yeah, 22. We are going back to the screen. Yes, just read. Turn off your microphone for smooth functioning of the class. You must not switch on unless I ask you a question. Now, please write today's date on page 22 and 23. First line. See here. Let us answer. Write today's date. Children, please don't answer out of your turn. So let me take the list. Yes, hope you are ready. Write the date. Yes. Are you ready, children? Anyone answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me get ready with the book to give marks, all that. Okay. Now, it is EVS. 1 minute, please bear with me. Now, let us answer. After that, write today's date. 9/9. That's enough. 9/9. Adonia. I will mix up and call. Okay, first I'm calling Adonia now. 10 children from A class, then 10 children from B class. Adonia, read the first question. Read the first question. When I call your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Adonia, okay, Adonia, wait. In between, Misty is coming. Adonia, turn on your camera. Adonia, I cannot see you. Now, read the first question. Fast. A house
keeps us
us
safe.
Correct answer. Very good. All of you do fast. She got the answer correct. Now turn off your mic. As soon as you tell the answer, turn off. Thank you. Now second one is for Akshara. Hurry up, Akshara. Akshara, come.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Akshara,
tell.
ma'am.
Please tell. Second one, Akshara. Read. Long. Come on. Long ago.
Long ago.
Ago. People lived in. Parents, don't tell us the answer, please. Now tell the correct answer. Flats, cages, boats.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next one, because no time to waste. Number 3, Effie. Effie, please come.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third question. Effie, please. Yes, Effie.
These houses are found in places where it rains heavily.
Yeah. Tell me the answer. Igloos. Stilt houses, bungalows. Correct answer is stilt houses. Please mark fast, children. Very good. 4 minutes only you took for 3 questions. Now, we'll go to the next one. See this. Just look into your textbook or you can look at the screen. Screen, it will be better. I will read. Turn off your mic, please. Now. Why Jemima is there now? What happened, Jemima? Now, B. Change the words underlined to correct the sentences. Now, a park is a place where we live and feel safe. That's wrong. Park is wrong. Correct answer is a house. Same way, second one I will read. In cities, most houses are made of mud and straw. That's wrong. Now, Fatima, can you tell me the correct answer instead of mud and straw? In cities, most houses are made of dash and dash. What is the correct answer, Fatima? You don't know? If you don't know at once, you must tell. You haven't come itself. Fatima, are you there? Okay, now, Tridip, can you answer like this? You cannot waste time. Tridip, can you tell me the correct answer? Read. In cities,
most houses are made of mud and straw.
mud and straw is wrong.
This time we should try bricks and cement.
Very good. Bricks and cement. That's what I'm telling you. Who's that laughing? Somebody is laughing there. Who's that? But somebody is laughing. Okay, leave it. Now, third one. Fatima, you're not there. Joshika Mary, I cannot.
Ma'am, I'm Joshika.
Who's this?
Ma'am, I'm Joshika.
Okay, Joshika, read the third one.
A bungalow is a small house. Big house.
Yeah, very good. See? Big house. Please write the answers, children. Now, number 4 is, I'm sorry, Kanira, read the fourth one. Kanira, read the fourth one from the screen. Read.
Houseboats are made of blocks of snow and ice.
That's wrong. Instead of houseboats, what can you write there? What is made of?
Igloo, ma'am.
Very good. Igloos. Igloos are made of. Children, hope you
Snow
are.
and ice.
Yeah, please. Good. Next one. Kailina, read fifth one. Kailina, read fifth one.
Ma'am.
Kailina, stop calling ma'am. See that? Kailina, good girl. Read the fifth question, Kailina. Don't play. A heart. What happened? No, that's echo. Kailina, something is wrong with the thing. See, Jemima is presenting like this, only the screen will go off. Jemima, what are you doing there? So, that's a disturbance. Kailina, turn off your mic, Kailina. Kailina, please. Okay, wait. No, don't worry. Mishti, please read the fifth one. Something is wrong with Kailina. See, B class children will present every time. I'm just informing the office.
Yes.
Yeah. Mishti, read fifth one.
H-U-T. Hut is
Yeah.
a house.
Vicky. Hands. I don't know what to do with these children. Jemima, where are you? She did something and the full screen is gone now. Morning, somebody else. Children, one small request. Those who are coming in between, please come before the class could start. Morning also something happened. One child joined and it all went off. Now Jemima joined and it went. Now, Kailina, don't something wrong with your system. Mishti, please read fifth question.
Yes, ma'am. H-U-T.
Yeah,
Hut.
don't say H-U-T. Hut is a house.
Hut.
I'm not going to tell Mishti. I'm going to tell your name to principal ma'am. You're not showing your face. I don't want you to read. Teacher is there to teach you. You're not coming on the screen. Somebody else is telling on wheels and all that. You read by yourself. Now start from first. I'm not going to ask you any more questions now. Today's the last. Please read. A hut.
A hut is a house to wheels.
No, on wheels. Is it true? Is it true? I don't know. The parents are going. See, parents' hand is there on the screen. Mitra, please read that and answer me, Mitra. Mishti, please turn off your mic. Please answer, Mitra. A hut is
A hut is a house on wheels.
Is it true? No. Instead of hut, what should you write? What should you write? Which house is on wheels? Name of the house. Very good. Caravan. Now I have to note down some students' name and inform. Every day, parents are helping, the children are not doing. Okay, now, please take the next one in your textbook. Write yes or no. Mitra, wait. Mitra, please turn off your mic. Okay, Mitra. Now, after Kanira Kalina. Yes. Now B class. Abisha, please read. Abisha, please read the first question. C. C, you read. C.
Write yes or no.
Yeah. Very good. Tell. First question.
Huts
Read.
are
Mostly
found in villages.
Very good. Now tell me whether it's correct or no. Yes or no. You can't write true or false. You have to write yes or no. Tell me whether it's yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see here. All must write yes. Now second one. Second one is for Akshaya. E. Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the second question. A bungalow. Read.
A bungalow has only one room.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Very good. Now next one. Artrika Chakrabarti. Artrika, please read. Third one. Yes. Artrika not there. Evelyn Zara. Evelyn Zara. Where are you, Evelyn and Artrika? Where are they? I want Evelyn Zara to come. Evelyn. Those are not coming, I will inform in the office. They are not answering, I will tell ma'am, they are not taking part in class. And in between coming and disturbing. Evelyn, where are you? Yesterday, same thing. Israelina. Israelina.
Ma'am?
Yes. Is it Israelina?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the third one.
Third one here.
There are igloos in big cities.
Is it right?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Good, good. I'm telling yes for you. Thank you. Number 4, Getsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Getsia, read the fourth one.
Caravans can move from place to place.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Children, you must listen to others and read. I don't want you to sit and play. Thank you, children. We'll go to the next one. This one we are not going to answer now. Yeah. This one, a lot of people make houses with sleeping roof. All this later. Now, please come to the next page. Activity. Let us do. Let us do next to activity. Write today's date. I want Jemima to help me to do this activity. Write your, okay. Excuse me, wait now. Please write 9 next to activity. Is it Jemima?
Just now she left.
Just now she left. Why?
I don't know.
Whenever I ask anything, these children are leaving. Okay, Juanshree. Juanshree, please help me, Juanshree. Yes, is it Juanshree?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will read. Your parents want to build a house in the city, not in village. What will they need? Color the correct box. But no. You can color. You can color. Which one? Tell me the answers. What are the materials they use? Tell me. Brick, cement. Even children, you can write wood because that is used for furniture. Okay, don't worry about it. Now see bricks. Please color bricks. Wood can be used to make furniture. Okay. Doors and furniture. Doors, sofa, cupboard, all that. Please color bricks, children.
And should we color a circle?
Not circle, ma. You have to color with your color pencil. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I only did it circle because that's a correct. Don't show to me color bricks. Now what is the next one? Cement. Do cement. I put wood because you can make furniture out of that because you need for your house. In your house you use it. Never mind. You just to make doors and windows. Now she said, 1 minute, sorry. Now, wood, it's not that for huts and all we are using. I just made it in general. Wood can be used to make furniture, doors and windows, okay? So that you will use wood. The next one is cement. Otherwise, you'll tell only bricks and cement. Mud for huts, straw for huts, plastic for canvas, okay? I wrote wood because you have to use wood because tilt houses, they use wood, bamboo. Here, you make furniture. You're going to build a house. And what all things they need. Please color these things with your color pencils. Let me see all. Children,
Ma'am,
Sagra, what you want?
ma'am, we should color only one color only. We should color.
Anything you can use. One color, two color, or three colors. But only the answer. Lina, keep the book on the table and color. See, she's keeping just on her leg. Kailina, keep it on your table, that book, and color it neatly, colorfully, neatly. Kailina, be a good girl. Color neatly. Yes. Please, children. Okay, this is sister. Yes, Juanshree, good. You can color, then we'll go to the next. Some children are good. Some children are leaving the class. When I'm asking question, I will inform in the office about it. Yeah, who are the children? Jemima, Israelina, Evelyn. Today, Artrika did not answer. Artrika. But this, where are you? Who's that? What, Alan? Oh my God, good, Alan.
Ma'am, I colored.
Good. Okay, good. We go to the next one, children. Otherwise, we won't be every day. We are having pending work. Very good. Coloring, no problem. I know only 3 answers. Now we'll go to the next one. You can color it later.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Now, Sia. Good. Mithun. Who? Mithun. Ritun. Okay, Ritun. Now, please see this fun to do. First, you try to, 5 minutes I'll give you. Try to find the homes of these animals. Don't tell the answer. Horse, stable is given.
Finished.
Please don't answer when I'm taking class. Yes. Horse, stable is given. Cow, shed is given. Now find out for lion, rabbit, sheep, hen. Hurry up. Don't answer, please. Do it. You can write 9-9 next to fun to do. All the project work, all that I will tell you afterwards, not now. The names of the children, I don't want you to ask help from your parents. You do. Akshara, I'm going to remove you from the class. You are going on turning this side, that side. I want only Akshara in my class. Akshara, you try to find out, Akshara, homes of these animals. Then only you will learn. Find out, Akshara. Horse, stable is given. Only I can see one
I
chair
finished
with
one,
three.
ma'am. Dog's kennel.
Please don't say Niral. Let everybody write. Okay, let everyone write. I will ask one by one. All must answer, then only I will give the answer. Now, Kushagra, tell me one answer. Now, tell me the... please, Trideep, don't come.
Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra, tell me the house of lion. Home of
Den,
lion.
ma'am.
Home,
D-E-N.
D-E-N, den. Very good. Home, not house. Now,
Near shade.
only one. Turn off your mic. Kushagra. Akshara, tell me. Home of a dog. Or anything. Home of a sheep. A sheep lives in. Dog what? Tell me the name.
Kennel, ma'am.
Who's that? Jetsia. Jetsia, you must not come out of your turn. All the 70 children will come. Akshaya said dog. Akshaya, tell me the answer for dog. Akshara. Tell
Yes,
me the
ma'am.
Akshara. Not Akshaya, Akshara. Akshara is crying because Akshara, I will help you. Don't worry. Akshaya, you tell me she's crying. Akshaya, tell me. No one should cry, children.
Hello,
Dog.
ma'am.
Akshaya, please tell Akshaya. Dog lives in a what?
Kennel.
Yes.
Kennel, ma'am.
Yes, I heard. Yes. When I say yes, turn off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Now, Jetsia, tell me another. They finished telling a kennel. They finished telling den. Now, what else? Sheep. Jetsia, sheep.
Pen.
Pen. Very good. Now, hen. 1 minute. Hen. Kanira. Hen. Some parents are just helping them. Hen. Hen.
Ma'am, hut, ma'am.
No, not in a hut. Tridev, help me please. Hen. Coop. C-O-O-P. Now, Niral, what is left? Rabbit. What is given in the book, you tell me? Rabbit lives in a burrow or hole, but here in this page, it's given hut.
Burrow.
See here, burrow's not given there. See. Now just see all the answers. It's given hut. You can make it like that also, no problem. See here, hut. All the answers, what you said, I'm telling. I'm just den, kennel, pen, coop. Hen lives in a coop. Anything else is left? Wait. Yes. Please check, children. Rabbit lives in a burrow, hole, hut, anything you can say. When nobody is there, rabbit will go into the hut and they will live there also because no one uses the place means. Okay. And they live in a hole. They say rabbit lives in a burrow. According to if the spelling, write the correct spellings. Jumble letters will be given. Fill in the blanks. You read the numbers. Check letters and fill in the blanks. Okay. Not now. We'll go to the next one now. Read the questions. You have to circle your answer. Don't tell. Some multi-storied buildings have lifts. You read each question and circle the answer. Then I will ask one child to do it for me. Okay. Please read. Yes, I want. Ritun, I'm telling you to read the questions in your textbook and circle the answers. Everybody, page number 23 last. Please read the questions and circle the answers. I'm telling they are just dreaming and sitting. Read the question. Okay, I will read the question. Do you think lifts are for fun? Don't say. You circle the answers. I will call one by one. Jemima, are you there? Evelyn, Israelina, Artrika. Second question, do you think it is safe to play with the lift buttons? Even we have in our school. Yes, Cyrus, your hand will. Mishti, please don't disturb Mishti. Today I'm going to send all the children their names to Principal Ma'am. Simply those who are coming in between and talking and going. And when I ask questions, they are not answering. I'm going to send the names to Principal Ma'am today. Today is the last day for that. Do you think it is safe to play with the lift buttons? Don't say any answer now. Do you make noise in the lift? Now I'm going to ask. Inian, tell me the answer for the first one. See, when I'm asking Inian, somebody else is telling behind. Only Inian must be there to answer. Do you think lifts are for fun? You read that question and tell me the answer. Read the first one, Inian. Do you think lifts are for fun?
For fun.
Tell me the answer. No. Yeah, answer is no. See, you don't know how to read, so you just listen to the teacher. I'm fed up of telling now. I'm just waiting. Wait, listen to the teacher. The second one is for Naren. Naren, are you there? Naren? No. Okay. Jasiel? Indian, turn off your mic. Jasiel?
Ma'am.
Yes, Jasiel, good. I want to see your face. Turn on your camera. Jasiel, because I don't know you all, Jasiel. Okay. Read the second question. Do you think it is safe to play with the lift buttons? Tell me yes or no. Is it safe to play with lift buttons? Will you play with lift buttons? Is it safe?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Correct yourself. And you have to go back and read all this. Now, third question is for Jeshu Olivan. Jeshu Olivan.
Ma'am.
Yes, Jeshu. Your face. Please turn on your camera. Jeshu Olivan, where are you? Yes, good. Read the third question. Do you make
You make
noise
noise
in the lift?
in the lift.
Do you make
Do you make
noise
noise
in the lift?
in the lift?
Give me the answer. Do you make noise in the lift? Yes? Is it good?
Ma'am.
Yes or no?
Am I finished?
Jeshu, tell me the answer. Do you make noise in the lift?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. Thank you, children. Now listen 1 minute. I don't want to leave the class. Children, don't say thank you now. Listen now. Children, I want to talk to you all. Listen now. Who's that telling thank you? I'm going to call Principal Ma'am just now. You don't say thank you. Listen to the instruction now. Children, please listen. Wait a minute. Don't leave. Now,